Hello and welcome to part 2 of our multi-part series of 50 side hustles over the next few videos. So let's get ready to make some money. We're going to continue the countdown starting with number 40, and I'm giving you 5 today. Number 40, music lessons. You can offer music lessons in person or online. You can charge at least $25 for a half an hour session. You can teach young children or older adults. There's no age limit to a love and respect for music as an art form. One company, Lessons by Brooke and Company, makes about $20,000 a month doing just this with a number of music teachers under her. Number 39, stock photography. This is a side hustle you could start with an iPhone in your hand. Stock photos earn approximately 25 to 45 cents per image per month. Small change adds up really fast, especially if you grow your catalog, just like Product Photography Studio, who makes about $540,000 a year with a team of 6. Number 38, blogging as a side hustle. This one can be started for free and grow to huge heights, especially if you can get a following. You could cover sponsored content, run visual ads, and so much more. If you can get a following, blogs can make you some money, like the Huffington Post, who makes $14 million, not a year, but every single month. Wow! Number 37, SEO Consulting. Now, search engine optimization, or SEO, sounds complicated, right? This type of consulting just means you're telling online businesses and individuals how they can be found. You can charge different fees for this service. Some businesses pay $500 to $1,500 per month. For those paying by the hour, $75 to $100 is the most popular hourly rate. For one-off SEO projects, $2,500 to $5,000 per project is the most common rate, just like WebFX, which has been in the SEO business since 1995. Number 36, digital marketing services. This is a business model that works hand in hand with SEO consulting, but digital marketing helps you turn those SEO-inspired visitors into loyal returning customers. The average cost for this service is $3,000 per month. One company whose digital marketing services are killing it is Smart Sites, who charges $100. Come back next time for Side Hustles 35 to 30. And thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try any of these awesome side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.